Okay, we are going to make our big end, which is going to be the first part we build here for our 3D project. First thing you're going to do is go to New Part. Make sure it's a new part. The next thing you're going to do is go to Start 2D Sketch, Start 2D Sketch, and you always click on the X, Y plane. The next thing to do would be to click on Rectangle. I'm going to start right here in this corner. I'm going to click and drag. It doesn't matter what size until I dimension it. So I click on Dimension, I click here, drag down. This dimension needs to be 7 inches, so I hit 7 and enter. I'm going to dimension this side as well, and for our big end it's going to be 8.5 inches. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit so we can see it. I'm just using my mouse to zoom. So that is our general outline. At this point I hit Finish Sketch. I'm going to hit Home so we can see the whole thing. We are going to then extrude it. We are going to extrude it 0.75 inches and hit Enter. The next step would be to go to Start 2D Sketch, Start 2D Sketch, and click on this face right here. We are going to add 3 points, 1, 2, and 3 by just clicking. I need to dimension these points, so I'm going to click and click, so 2 clicks, click again, and type in 1.25, Enter. Do the same thing here, click, click, click again, 1.25, enter, click, 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 1.25, enter. Getting closer. Now I need to dimension it from the side. Click, click, whoops, let's try that again. Click, click, we're going to try this one. Click, click. Alright, dimension from here to here. There we go. This one is 1 inch. Try it again. Maybe this time it'll work. Hey, I got it. 1 inch. From this spot or point to here should be 3.5, enter. Okay, the points are all dimensioned. Now we hit Finish Sketch. You are now going to put in a hole. All 3 of these are getting the same hole. The first thing I need to do is change this to a distance. The distance is going to be 0.25 inches. Oops, that was not what I was trying to do. I hit enter there and I didn't need to. I need to hit hole. Let's get out of here for a second. Hole. All 3 of them are going. This needed to be 0.25 like I said. This is the part that I didn't have right. 0.75, and now I hit enter. And now I have all the holes the way they need to be. On this side, now we need to flip it around, so I just click and drag it over here to this side, and I go to Start 2D Sketch, and I click on this face right here. With this face, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do points. A lot of people try to put the point right there, and it ends up kind of screwing it up. So I'm not going to do that. We're just going to go put a point right here. I know it's not in the right spot. We're going to put 3 points in. Now I will dimension them again. So from here to here is supposed to be 1 inch. From here to here is 3.5 inches. And from here to here, oops, enter, 3.5. There we go. From here to here, sorry about the interruption. This one should be 1 inch. Alright, now we need to dimension it from here to here. Should be 1.25. Enter. So I'm going to click, 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 1.25. Enter. And click, 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 1.25, enter. It doesn't matter which way you send your dimensions. If I wanted to dimension down here, the biggest thing, it doesn't matter if I put this 1.25 on this side or this side, it doesn't matter. I need to put it somewhere so I can say that from this point to here is 1.25 inches. Okay, that is done. I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. Now I need to put holes in here. So, here's what they're going to look like. You're going to put a counterbore in here. The top is 0.375, which mine is already there. The depth is 0.25. I need to put this through all. And then this bottom one here needs to be 0.125. So 0.375, 0.25, 0.125, and then through all and hit OK. So now that's what the back side looks like, and then this is what the front side looks like. Notice this hole goes all the way through and it's lined up on both sides. You should be able to see that. I'm going to hit home one more time. One last thing to do is put some fillets in. So this edge right here is going to get a 0.5. This edge right here, oops, I'm going to hit fillet again. Sorry about that. Fillet, 0.5, enter. Another fillet. This edge here gets a 0.25, enter. And this edge, as I spin it around right here, fillet, and that one is 0.25, and I hit enter. Hit home, and that is your finished big end. That took me roughly 6 minutes. You guys should be able to get it done in a class period. Good luck.